So in a lot of the different work integrated learning experiences that I've done, it often involved going into the community and participating in projects or learning in the field, whether it was through work or community service, which I know some people also refer to as community engaged learning, or special experiences on field schools, for example.
LifeCycles is an organization that builds community health by bringing people together to grow, harvest, and share local foods. LifeCycles has had the opportunity to work with service learning and applied research students. Work integrated learning creates opportunities for organizations like LifeCycles to bring students into our work in a way that helps support our programming and also builds up the capacity for more people to get into this field.
I had an opportunity to participate in a service learning course called Social Sciences 300, and then I had the opportunity to volunteer with LifeCycles for a total of about 40 hours.
I did a directed studies in which I was able to work with a local nonprofit, LifeCycles, and this was really interesting for me because I got to be doing all the hands-on work, trying to improve food security in my region, while also being able to step back and analyze the work within a certain framework that my education had provided me with. My experiences being able to have my applied research as well as my field courses exposed me to so many more ways of thinking and doing and communicating.
We were working with students who maybe weren't coming in with a lot of previous experience, but consistently I was surprised and impressed by the quality of work and the level of interest and commitment.
I had to be my own driver and motivator, but this challenge was great because that's my job now. So I'm definitely grateful for the challenge that applied research gave me.
So having that opportunity to work in environmental education for a summer in a paid position provided me with an opportunity to grow personally, to become more confident in my skills as a leader. Those are really important skills that I learned through working with youth. Co-op really provided me with a chance to reflect more deeply on that learning through the written reflections as well as the check-ins with my supervisor and my coordinator. It was really inspiring and empowering to see that there are viable career paths within environmental studies. And with my interest in environmental education, I've actually decided that I'd like to further explore this in terms of becoming a secondary school teacher. And as a really key part of that education, I'll also have the opportunity to participate in a practicum to further hone my skills as a teacher and learn from someone who's already been in the profession.
Not only did I learn a lot, I made amazing connections and met so many new mentors in new places that I hadn't encountered just at UVic. These experiences were absolutely invaluable to me and inevitably actually shaped where my work after university ended up taking me.